So the other day I saw a video of a guy named Robert Maddox, aka Crazy Rocket Man, aka stand on freaking steroids. Now this guy's crazy, but so am I. So I see this guy putting PulseJets on random things and I'm thinking to myself, I can do that too. So here it is in all its glory. So on day one, I just messed with the PulseJet just to see what I was working with. You know, I just ran with it and let it get red hot. And now to day two. All right, it's day two of the PulseJet skateboard and I bought a GoPro. So here's the plan. I'm gonna tie some string to the back of this axle so I can control it kind of, and then travel the whole length of this area. Take a peek. From there. And hopefully the string works or else it snaps and then goes in the road and I go to jail. And I don't wanna go to jail. And I'm mic'd up right now so you can hear my voice. Here's a test. Test, 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 test. When attaching the bracket, I use a wood screw nail and they're poking out, look at that. And I already got a boo-boo from that. So I'm just gonna grind that down real quick. This won't fit my big head. And those nubbly bubblies are gone now. Still solid.
Are you sure about that?
POV, you are a PulseJet. I just checked through the footage. I didn't realize that moved. What the heck? It moved that freaking big brick. Cinder block, I mean. Chat, I'll let one of you guys calculate how much energy it requires. These runs were going great, kind of, until unfortunately, disaster struck. Did you see that? Let's see that again. Let's look a little closer. Let's see it from a different angle. Yeah, it came with it. It's probably like the cheapest material ever. So yeah, this weld was not that strong. It sheared off, I guess, from the force. I can't fully blame the build quality because I tie the rope to the back axle. And I know some of you were thinking, John, how are you gonna steer it? And I'd say, I don't know, how about that?
How about that? How about that?
I decided to do one more test for the heck of it, but yeah. So I forgot to speak during this part, but yeah, here's the thing, and it's broken, so I got a brace, right? I'm gonna brace that there. Get some D-rings so I can attach them and put a string through it. It can follow that string like a missile. Here's a montage. All right, this is like day 1 million. You can tell because I have a different shirt, so no one cares. Here's the end of it. I'm gonna put this right there. So at least it has something squishy to run into. All right, second angle of the GoPro setup. Bro, and brass. It's so hot out here. Oh, I'm like so tired, bro. But now it's time to ride it. It might be a little dangerous in its current state, so I'll tie it to a roller chair and longboard and see if it can pull me. I was thinking about like standing on this, but like this gets so hot, it would burn the fat in my legs. So, let's pull me, right? I have slight concerns. I should be fine, but pew pew pew, scary. heavy.
Here's another chair. This time with better wheels, right? These are nice roller wheels, as opposed to just clanker stuff.
Clinker. Not quite. So the chairs with me on it weighed a little too much for this to actually move me any meaningful distance. So let's try a skateboard, a PulseJet on a skateboard pulling another skateboard. No! I don't know why it died. That's something.